Hi, today's video is an unboxing, two gifts, and a what's in my bag. So let's just get right to it. The good stuff first. Chanel. And I was minding my own business, and the Chanel person texted me a picture, and I could not resist. So I had lunch with a friend today in the mall, and then, scooted on over to Chanel. I'm sure you can tell what they are from the box and the fact that I just said they. And I think this is probably going to be my last piece of costume jewelry. I just, I think these are gorgeous and I made the exception, but I think this is it. Oh my gosh, they are super cute. And I've always wanted a pair of Chanel CC earrings. Aren't they beautiful? Let's see. Closer. There we go. I'm pretty much a hoop girl, but I think these will be good for days just to have. How about that? And I love them. I think they're beautiful and I really like them. But from going forward, I think I'm done with costume jewelry. I'd rather save my nickels and put it towards a bag or an SLG, because you can never have enough, SLGs. I know that there are a lot of people who say, oh, you don't need to match every single thing. I do. It makes me feel better. If I open my purse, let's just say it's blue, and there's something green inside, I need to change it. So, or if my bag is red, and if it's red, I can do black. If it's black, I can do red or any other color. But if it's a color like brown, it needs to have brown things inside, or maybe all one color. But for me, that's a necessity. So that's that. And I think they're gorgeous, and I hope you think so too. Now, my next item, I'm just gonna post a picture of it. My friend, who I won't say her name, gifted me a mug from the New Orleans School of Cooking, and it's kind of, we have a, both she and I share a tie to that place, and New Orleans is, I would say, one of our favorite destinations as a romantic city, as a beautiful city, as a friendly city, and as a destination that I would probably, go to again. My husband and I kind of have this thing. We really don't like to see the same thing twice, but we would definitely do New Orleans again. Definitely. And thank you. I'll just say thank you. It is the cutest mug and a spice blend from the school, and it's like the Frank's Red Hot. It's good on everything. So thank you, my friend. And from my other friend, you know, he is probably one of the most woke dudes on the planet. I won't say his name, but if you're in need of a life coach, he can help you. Um, just DM me on Instagram and I'll give you his information privately. I just won't say his name because I didn't ask in advance. And he's so sweet and so nice. And I think that if he wasn't my friend, I would probably hire him to fix my life. You know what I mean? But as my friend, I just make him do it for free. But seriously, he is just an awesome guy, and he's so woke that it'll surprise you. Anyway, he knows that I have a ridiculous addiction, same as the first friend, for coffee mugs. And it is Vancouver Island. It's blue on the inside from Starbucks in their Been There series. Thank you so much, my friend. And two pens from Twin Pens. And I'll just show them to you. Good Trouble, Necessary Trouble, and March, as in the Million Man March. He's so woke. I just love him. And this card, I'll just read the. It says, I stand with you. Because you matter to me. And even if I can't know everything you're going through, I stand with you in courage. I stand with you in hope. I stand with you always. And a personal note, Happy New Year. Love you. Thank you so much. You know, this card means more than you will ever know. And you need to call me so that I don't get emotional about it. Let's move on to the bag of the day, which is my favorite bag, the doctor bag. And I'm taking the strap off because I'm going to switch my bag out. But this is not the strap that comes with it. This is the Louis Vuitton XL guitar strap. And I think that this was probably the best accessory next to a mini pochette that I've bought in a really long time. This is, yeah, this is pretty much it. And inside my bag is a Ted Baker cosmetic pouch. Yeah, that's a big cosmetic pouch, I know. It is not full, but if you needed a Band-Aid or put your eye out, I could have fixed it today. It's a carry-all thing. My Louis Vuitton card holder, reverse monogram. You know, I have mixed feelings about this. I think today's the second or third time I've used it, maybe third, and I still have mixed feelings on it. But we'll see. We'll get there. My 6-ring key holder. My Christmas animation mini pochette. I think there's just, yeah, I used it as a wallet, so inside there's only cash and a couple of cards and some change. My Louis Vuitton Sunnies, which I didn't even use today, but I had them just in case. It actually drizzled today, and I was like, oh, it was, yeah. You know, when I see people shoveling snow, snowed in, you know, what did they call it? Like a dust devil, but it's with snow. My friend sent me a video of it, and I was like, wow, I'd never seen that. And then I complained about it drizzling, so I can't, you know, I'm not complaining, but I can't say we had bad weather because we did not have bad weather. So this is the Marc Jacobs lip gloss and a perfume sample. This is the, I can't even see it, but it's a Louis Vuitton perfume sample. So that was it. My bag is empty. And I just wanted to thank you for stopping by. I hope you consider subscribing. If you haven't, push that notification button. It does something. And I hope you come back, and if I don't make another video in a week and you come back, or a day or two, just watch some of the old ones. They're, you know, my personality really doesn't change. It's, you know, me smiling at some stuff. So there you go. So that's the end. Thank you for your time. Thanks for coming by. Wear your mask. You know, when I was at the mall today, I stopped into Bath and Body Works, and there was a man there not wearing a mask. And I just immediately didn't want anything else from that store because I saw that guy. You know, it just made me not even want, I didn't want anything from that section. So anyway, wear your mask, spread aloha, be kind, and I'll see you soon. Aloha.